Before we start, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.
Thanksgiving is a time-honored tradition that dates back to 1621, when Pilgrims and Native Americans gathered together in a feast of gratitude. It was a moment of connection, unity, and celebration of the harvest. Today, Thanksgiving remains a time to give thanks, but it's also an opportunity to reflect on the importance of wellness, both physically and mentally. As we celebrate this Thanksgiving, let's remember that gratitude is not just a holiday tradition, it's a powerful wellness tool. Practicing gratitude helps reduce stress, boosts emotional well-being, and grounds us in the present moment. When we express gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. That's the key to a more peaceful mind and a healthier body. This Thanksgiving, take time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Whether you're spending time with family, enjoying a quiet moment of reflection, or simply savoring a delicious meal, remember that true wellness begins with a thankful heart. So, let's celebrate Thanksgiving by embracing gratitude, not only for this moment, but for the journey of wellness we're all on. Happy Thanksgiving, and remember, gratitude is wellness.